So, I've blocked the decomp now. Pretty sure it's an M5.8 pitch. I just tapped the rest of the hole, used some JB weld on the threads, and ran her in there. I use washers to space it out so that it's not overhanging inside the cylinder. But it is now plugged. This is the best fix I could come up with for this. I could not make this decomp work, or I guess I'm not willing to try and fix the decomp because I can't get an answer as to what material the cylinder's made of. I don't know if there's magnesium in this or if it's supposedly straight aluminum. If it was straight aluminum and I knew it was, I'd weld it, but I got no answer, and I don't have brazing material, sadly, so this is what we come up with for a fix.